What's going on? I know it's been a while, but we're back with another video here. Just got back home and I've heard there's some sharks and bluefish around, so we're gonna see if we can try to get those around the inlet today. And whatever happens, happens. What is up, guys? Oh, frick. Another bird nest. All right, no, we're good now. We're gonna catch one on camera. Oh, just like, oh, I missed him. Oh, come on. Oh, that's a monster. No, it's not. Dude, they're chewing. Gotta get another one. Hey, a bigger one. So I had one video in the Keys where I was throwing one of those pompano jigs, like the yellow, just random looking hooks. And I caught like a million fish. I caught pompano, yellow jacks, regular jacks. It was insane. Oh, dude, it's ridiculous there. Like, it's the most fun I've ever had.
Can you go back to class this week?
Yeah.
I have spring break this week.
Like this upcoming week?
Yeah.
Come down.
I just left Gainesville like yesterday. So Loki, I could come down.
You could.
Wednesday or like Tuesday.
Yeah. I'll make the trip. I don't care. Oh. As long as we catch fish, which we will, because there's always fish down there. The only issue is sometimes you have to walk pretty far, but I mean, it's worth it.
Then I'll walk.
It is worth it. It is worth it.
I mean, bro, we already walk around here.
No, it's a longer walk, but I mean, it's worth it. Because you know you're going to catch fish there. Here, you have no idea if you're going to even see a single fish. Whoa. Not expecting that. Did you see it?
Yeah.
That was crazy. Oh. Oh. Do they miss it every single time?
Just another one?
I missed like 4. You'd think there has to be some mullet around, right? Like somewhere. I think they're getting smarter.
Yeah.
Because they're not even biting now. Oh, there it is. What an absolute monster. Oh, what happened to his gills? Dude. He's somebody like, oh my. This guy's cooked. Oh, he's throwing up on me. No, this is what they're eating. Look. Look at the size of this fish.
It's a fish?
Yes, look at the eyes.
I thought that was a stain.
That's insane.
I thought that was just a stain on the...
Dude, it's so small. Dude. That's insane. That's huge. What an absolute monster. Show it to the camera.
I hold him up like he's huge.
Yeah, hold him right up close to the camera. Oh, he tried to get you there. There we go, you got him. All right, that's an absolute monster right there. They don't get much bigger than that.
Saw that?
Oh, had him. Oh. There he is. That's a better one. It's tiny, but it's better than the micros we were catching. Why do they have to like be so disgusting? They're throwing up on me, bleeding. Like, stop. All right, man. Ah. He's after this. Oh yeah. Is that different? Oh, I thought it was blue. Nah, I don't think that's gonna happen. I got it. Don't even worry. Oh, he just threw up everywhere. How do you have so much fish? Such a small fish, dude. That's insane. Look at that. It's not even like, that's not even real. What even is that?
It's just floating
It's like a...
eyes. Like eyes and like cells.
It's an amoeba. Yeah. Yup. That's shark bait right there.
Yeah, buddy.
Hell yeah. Nice. Here, take him off the hook before he destroys the lure. Nice, dude. What an absolute monster. Now we're gonna use that as bait, 100%. He's watching and unhook the bird.
Let go help him out.
Maybe. Sure. Hey, buddy.
You can occupy him with the shirt.
Hey, buddy.
See if you can pull that one up over him.
It's this way.
Yeah, we couldn't really.
Do we have anything to cut?
Yeah,
Can I borrow this? You mind if I cut it, like at all?
yeah, just cut it.
Okay. See, when you put the shirt over their head, they just like come completely. That's here. Okay. And this is at least, there's no blues. Oh, it's cold. All right, here you go. I can't reel like this. He's right there, dude. Just, there's two of them. Two sharks. A bunch of lemons right around, like everywhere. Make sure it's tight, because there's not a lot of wire on there. You don't want it to eat it up too high. So if he does, then my line will break. See him right there? Two of them. Reeled in a little bit. Wait, what are you doing?
What?
This way. Ah, damn it. Don't ever do that again. Oh, that's a bigger one. Dude, it's right here. Oh, we found it. Oh, they're everywhere by my feet. Dude, he was right behind you.
Yeah.
Look at that one. Eat it, bro. What are they doing? Why are they tweaking? Like, look. That's wild. They're not even touching it. I could grab it. I could actually grab it right now. Got him. Watch out. Little lemon. Here, can you hold this for a second? Ronnie, look, look. He's got one. Boom. You take a picture? You take a picture? Little lemon. Nice. That's not a bad one. They're getting bigger, but Jack? I think it's a jack. Yep, jack. Come here, buddy. Nothing crazy. Old jack. Yeah. Perfect. Nice little guy. Get it back. Hopefully something bigger. New day. We're throwing the big popper again. It's about 9 in the morning. So we're gonna see if we can actually get one of these blues today. It's my last day here, so gotta make it happen. Let's see here. Big shark would be nice too. You never know. Never know out here. You could get anything. Windier, that's for sure. Much windier. Take my hoodie off. Got him. Here he is. Oh, he missed it. I had him. Dang it. Ooh, those are big. Big bluefish out there. Yeah. They're just tailing. All I need is one. And hopefully no sharks. Bluefish, right? Or is that a shark? Got him. Got him. Oh, it's a big one. Please don't cut me off. Oh, dude. Oh, it's a big fish, man. That's what I wanted. These things are huge. I really just hope he doesn't cut me off. That would suck. That would be a nightmare. Look at the size of that bluefish. Oh my goodness. Woo. You can get him over here. Ooh. Come on, no bites. No bites, Mark. Whew. That is a stud. That's exactly what I came here for, man. Got my bluefish. My monstrous bluefish. Jesus, that's a big fish. Please don't break me off. Barely hooked. Oh no. Come on. Stay here. Oh yeah, big blue. I saw a school of them out there. Sorry? Come here. There we go. Whew.
Yeah, I got one about 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Waiting for it to come back in.
Man, come on. Oh man. Surprised you didn't break me off. Whew. Damn. The size of this bluefish, man. This is huge. Never caught one this big in my life. This is like the size of an amberjack. This is insane. Wow. He is absolutely gargantuous. Oh my gosh. Size of a snook right there. Oh man. I'm gonna bleed him out and keep him right here. Got him. On the popper. No. I'm tired. Well, that's it for today's video. I got one other bluefish on the popper, but I didn't get it on camera. Back at school, back in college now, back from home from spring break. And thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.